Hello, fragrance specialists. My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for tuning into another essential oil breakdown. Today, we're going to be going over the ever popular lemon. Now, odds are you know exactly what a lemon is. You might even have one in your house now. You've probably cooked with lemon juice. You've probably drank lemonade. It's all over the place. Very hard to get away from the world, at least in Western society, without interacting with lemons in one form or fashion. And in my opinion, in all of their forms or fashions, they are delicious. Aside from maybe eating them raw. I wouldn't recommend that. In any case, before we dive into the essential oil version of lemon, please do consult your doctor before use. Always a good habit to get into. Now let's quickly go over its profile here. Its scent is described as having a clean, fresh, citrusy, and fruity aroma, which odds are you're already kind of familiar with. Its common uses are athlete's foot, chiliblains, cold, corns, dull skin, flu, oily skin, spots, varicose veins, and warts. Its most common method of extraction is cold pressed, and that is true almost universally amongst all the citrus oils. It blends well with bergamot, cinnamon bark, pink grapefruit, red mandarin, orange, and sandalwood, and as with a lot of the other citrus oils, it is considered to be phototoxic. So please do a test spot on whatever your particular mix is before you go in daylight. Ultimately, it may react violently with the UV rays, so just make sure dilution and best practice is on point. Now let's dive into its history here. The first substantial cultivation of lemons in Europe began in Genoa in the middle of the 15th century. The lemon was later introduced to the Americas in 1493 when Christopher Columbus brought lemon seeds to Hispaniola on his voyages. Spanish conquest throughout the New World helped spread lemon seeds. Lemon juice, rind, and peel are all used in a variety of foods and drinks. The whole lemon is used to make marmalade, lemon curd, and lemon liqueur. Once again, lemons pretty much everywhere, especially in the West, whether or not it's drinks, desserts, garnishing, it's all over the place. Now let's do a quick DIY recipe. This one is Focusing Personal Inhaler. It is 10 drops lemon oil, 10 drops rosemary, 2 drops cedarwood, and 2 drops clary sage. Mix them all together, put them in an aromatherapy inhaler, and just breathe deep whenever you really need that pick-me-up. I really do like lemon. I don't know, I am partial towards all of these citrus essential oils, and ultimately lemon is quite cost effective as well. You have to be careful how much of it you use because it can be quite a dominating aroma. However, most lemon oils go for around $11, $12, $13, somewhere around there. It's quite common and readily available, as you might imagine. In any case, if you'd like to add this oil to your collection or experiment with it or do something aromatherapy related with it, I strongly recommend you do so using Rocky Mountain Oils, a link down beneath in the description. And of course, if you have any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns, please do make a note down beneath in the comments sections, and please do add any recipes you might have as well. That being said, I hope you have a great day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.